Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you advanced faceplate video tutorial. We will go through some advanced features of the faceplates. So, as usual, we adjust the resolution. And let's go ahead and create some faceplate. Okay, now let's create some decent menu. This will be our close button. And now we will put two control buttons. I will adjust the animations properties. Sorry, visibility. And to close the menu, tag 1. Okay, let's test this one. Okay, the menu is working. Now we will have to make events for these two buttons. So we go to the faceplate, and here we have faceplate configuration menu. If you want to make an event in the faceplate, you have to go to event interface, select the appropriate button, in this case button 3, and drag and drop this event on click. I will rename it controller run, and button 4 the same, will be controller stop. Okay, and now if we go back to our screen, click on the faceplate and go to the properties. In the events section we have our two events that we created. Okay, and to show you how this works with the controller, with the PLC, I will create a step 7 project. We create new project, give it a name. Okay, let's add Simatic station. We put the rail and we will put appropriate CPU. Okay, let's say this one. We compile the hardware configuration. Okay. Now, if you want to integrate WinCC Flexible project to your step 7 project, we go to the project menu and then we click integrate in step 7. Now we select the project we want to integrate into. And now we see the device and the WinCC project here, the screens, everything. Okay. Let's check our networking. We go to our WinCC device. Since we have Profibus network, we select the appropriate communication processor. Okay. And now the devices are connected to the network. We compile and check our network configuration, no errors. So that's okay. Let's go to our blocks. And we will create new data block. I will just create a couple of variables. Okay, so now, as I showed you before, I went to the faceplate properties, and here we have two events that we created. First, I will configure the C-run event, and now, since our projects already have communication, I can actually set bit of the controller variable, and I will put reset bit stop, and now the same I will do for controller stop event. Let's go back and create some simple program just for testing. Okay, we will change our interface to PLC sim MPI. We can start our simulator of the PLC, and now we have to download our project. I will start the WinCC project as well. I will just download again. So as you can see, the idea is working. If I click the run button, I will trigger this contact and this coil. If I hit stop, I trigger the stop contact. We can see this happening here as well. Now I will show you one more thing. Let's say if some event happens here in the program and I want to visualize it in the WinCC project. How to do this? Let's say I will put here the text field. I will create new structure. Create the new variable. So we go to the faceplate configuration, we select property interface and we add new property. And here in the data type we select our structure 1. In this text field, in the visibility settings, I choose this text to be visible on this bit in the properties that we have just created. Now, this was internal variable. To connect it to external one, we go to faceplate preferences, select properties, a dynamic interface, and we choose our variable from the data block in the step 7 project. We add a new line of program. I will just save it and download it. Okay. I will download once more. Now, as you can see, I have triggered the input 0 bit of 0 byte, and I've triggered this variable which is linked to the visibility settings of my text in the faceplate. This was another type of communication between faceplate and the PLC. Okay, this covers my advanced faceplate tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. And as usual, that's it for now.